beautifully restored by Rob. Very good short takeoff landing capabilities. It just found them. You can see Rob demonstrating the manoeuvrability of this aircraft. It would be there in comms, the communications. Chief would be sitting behind the pilot, relaying to the squadron, or be it a number of aircraft flying around, coming in low, in and out the trees. Many of these aircraft were known to come home. The engineers, the first thing they did was get all the tree leaves out the wheels. Very common occurrence. Bits of branch, bits of leaf, bits of banana. Again, you can picture him working. They've had reports of enemy, but it's up to the bird dog to go in and find them. All this time they'd be doing this, they'd be taking flak from people on the ground. Naturally, they weren't that fast of machine, didn't have that higher top speed. So aircraft, when Rob was restoring it, he found 52 holes. So you can picture here that the ground forces think they've found a Viet Cong bunker that may contain troops. They've called the observation aircraft in to have a look. As I said earlier, he's working his way around. Remember, he's trying to look through dense jungle, ladies and gentlemen, so he's just looking for any movement, any sign of camouflage or clearing, working backwards and forwards before he calls in aircraft to deal with the problem. Man found something, so he comes in fairly tight this time. He reckons he knows where they are and marks. Rockets shoot out that marking the spot for the aircraft. Normally the T-28 Trojan had become, so we found the bunker. We have our next aircraft coming in and doing the damage. Bombs away, peel off. These, of course, do more damage than the strafing run. Still not happy. The one-off bird dog with more firepower than the T-28 Trojan comes in again. Prepare yourself, ladies and gentlemen. He means business this time. Of course, while this is happening, the bird dog would be flying through the smoke. He peels away. Up we go. And a big thank you to a very powerful aircraft. Rob just said, he said, this is good. Airstrip sealed, and we thank you all for coming and helping with that. Okay, I'll just have confirmation, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to get the Trojan in the air. He won't be doing a full routine as such, but he will be giving us the pleasure of 3 or 4 passes.